Alright. Mic check. Ayan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Kamusta weekends ninyo? Hopefully, your weekends were well. Ako wala akong nahuling isda kasi medyo pangit yung spot na napili ko the weekend. Pero we'll try again next weekend. Right? But anyways, Monday, trade day, and welcome back. Usual na schedule ng trading. Nagustuhan niyo ba yung whole trading day? Mas ma-action ba? So hopefully you're enjoying it. All right, PSEI has been doing well. Did do well today. All right, let me share my screen really quick. PSEI, am I sharing the right screen? All right, tama. All right, there we go. Let me just adjust this. Yun. So yeah, green day for PSEI. 1.07% po ang inakyat ng PSEI. That's 75.55 points higher than yesterday's closing. Good job PSEI. Net foreign selling po tayo ngayon, pero 260 million pesos lang ang lumabas sa market. So far, maganda yon. That's a good signal. But then again, overall, market is at the very least going sideways. Sideways ang trend natin sa market, especially during the last supports right here. Previous short-term support is andito, na break yan. So far so good, sideways, pero tapos na yung uptrend niya, di ba? So with the elections happening, I don't think markets are gonna go up very strong, right? Market did do well today. Why? Because may news kasi, right? Philippines has no Omicron variant yet. So hopefully that will maintain. Pero pa may sumiklab na Omicron, for sure babagsak na naman ito. So the market's still very shaky. And because of that, I'm not recommending everyone to be aggressive in the market. If ever may magandang posisyon sa baba, dun tayo. Huwag kayong maghabol ng umaakyat, nakalipad na. So higher chances for them to drop. So if ever you're gonna risk funds, doon lang muna tayo sa mga nagsusupport or mumurahan na. Right? So, dito, speaking of dito, congratulations sa mga Ditonians dyan. Yan, may bilog tayo dyan because that is where we called for a buy kay dito. Sinalubong ang mga tao. And today was up 6.82% per dito. 6.11 pesos pong closing ngayon. That's up 0.39 cents compared to last week's closing. So, congratulations sa mga kumuha kayo dito when we called it a buy, especially sa mga gustong mag long term. And yeah, it's already too late to get in, mind you. Hindi ko hinahype sa dito. It's already too late to get in already. So, wag na muna nyo habulin. Pull back and bounce. Next pull back and bounce kayo dito. Yun yung susunod na entries natin. Alright, let's go to let's go to the comments really quick. I'm gonna go close up. Okay ba yung chat room natin? Chat room is good. Ayan, punta muna sa pinakataas. Nano Joseph, good evening Sir Lloyd. DFNN please. Salamat po. Alright, let's go. DFNN kagad. Charting agad tayo. Let's get to business. It's already Monday. Daily grind nga eh. Engulfing pattern for DFNN. This is looking well. Right? I guess we have a possible bottom, ladies and gentlemen. For DFNN, malakas yung volume niya on these three white soldiers. Pataas yung volume. So, did shoot up. Nag-pull back siya. I guess that's the pullback already or baka mag-continue pullback. Pullback and bounce. The next bounce will be your entry point for DFNN. Alright, Shai, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Grabe talaga mga scammers ngayon. Diyos ko, yun nga eh. How do I share this? Let me open my Messenger. Right, so, I wanna make sure na I'm not sharing the name ng kaibigan ko. Sorry. And so, nagulat na lang ako na may nag-message sa akin or basan daw na scam siya, nag-send daw siya ng Bitcoin kasi andun yung mukha ko. Sabi ko sa niya, tinawanan ko pa. Akala kasi itong kaibigan ko ito mapagbiro yan. So, tinawanan ko pa. Scammer yung mga baliw na yan. So, sabi niya, then I just realized that he's serious. Nag-send pala siya. Right? So, sad to say, these scammers are... Umiinit ang ulo ko sa kanila. Please. I will never ask for... I will never ask for funds na hingin ko sa inyo tapos babalik ko in these folds, right? Without letting you know where I am growing them. Okay? Because yes, I've technically became the trust fund for others, especially sa NFTs, pero informal lang naman yun, maliitan. Pero I always tell you guys where it is going and how I am managing it and my reporting yan. And nakikipag-usap ako sa inyo properly. In Tagalog and English, minimix ko yan. Hindi ako mangingi sa inyo ng pera and promise na patutubuin ko yan kaagad. Hindi po ganun. Wala pong ganun. Pero sad to say, they trusted my face daw kasi. So, nagpadala siya kaagad. Alam nyo, totoo. So, yeah, I hate these scammers. I don't know what's wrong with Facebook. I've been reporting this page. I've been asking people to report the page. Pero ayaw tanggalin ni Facebook eh. Ayaw patayin yung page na yun eh. So baka si Facebook, they support the scammers. Pero umiinit ang ulo ko pag naisip ko yan. Alright, Kisto, good evening Sir Lloyd. Good evening Richard Agas. Good evening Sir Lloyd from KSA. Alright. Love watching your podcast. Thank you so much, Richard Agas. Magandang hapon sa inyo dyan sa Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Janer Dianyo, good evening. Magandang gabi. Sian Mads, good evening Sir Lloyd and everyone. Jeric Panit Lareñas, sorry, good evening Sir Lloyd. Insights pa kay IDC and APL. So let me pull this up. So nga pala, congratulations sa atin, ng mga nakipag partner sa atin sa Thetan Arena. I guess that's Thetan Arena. Congratulations, nakabili na tayo, nakahabol tayo sa sale. And the accounts are already grinding right now and they're starting to earn already. I'll be giving you reports every week po, every Mondays, right? So expect a report from me for the performance ng mga scholars natin. Reported and blocked na sa akin yung page na yun, sir. Kinabahan ako kanina. Yes, ako hindi ko binablock siya kasi I want to monitor the page. Kaya gusto ko makita pa rin yung page na yun. Dapat i-report or block na lang po. Oo nga eh, pero I can't. Ang dami eh. Pag nabablock yan, lumalabas na naman. Ilang pages na yung ganyan eh. So, nakayamot. Kahit i-report mo, hindi nawawala. Ang dami. Joshua Abelia, good evening Sir Lloyd. Good evening Richard Agas. Goodbye po ba sa Emperador? Unahin muna natin to. IDC, this is from Jeric. IDC, sobrang taas na. Jeric, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, kailan ang take profits na once it closes inside the Bollinger Bands, that is the signal that the momentum is starting to fall off. There are huge sell signals already here. Matataas na yung buntot ng wicks ng candlestick ni IDC. So anytime soon, pwede na tong ibenta. Right? So, hinog na yan. Yan, Mans, good evening. Jerry, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Tapos na to. APL. Congratulations sa IDC, man. Congrats, galing. Good trade right there. APL. Woo, support. Divergence. Dapat dito, pinasok natin to. 5.48 already. Hindi nyo ba daw napasok last Friday? Did I not call this for a buy last Friday? Dapat buy na to eh, di ba? May signals na tayo. You know my technical analysis. Divergence right there. Should have been a buy already. Hopefully, pinasok nyo to. Nakalipad na si Apollo. So, okay pa rin yung signal niya overall. Overall, nasa murahan pa naman kayo. Pero the best talaga na entries is dito eh. Medyo higher risk na yung ito-trade nyo dyan. So, I cannot recommend this anymore. Kung mag-breakout na lang, pa-breakout na nyo dyan sa APL. Or you wanna get in. Prince Carl, 3 p.m. pala. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ano po yung insights nyo regarding SLP? Oo, si SLP. Sumama kay Bitcoin eh. Everything's okay with SLP with the game. It's just that cryptos right now dropped a lot. And again, SLP is part of crypto, so nagka-sell off. So it is dropping. Mura na ngayon ng SLP, grabe. But the good thing about Axie Infinity is kumikita pa rin yung Axies even if mababa yung presyo ng SLP. Just that mas mahina na yung mas mahina na yung kitaan, right? So it's still there. I would say with the developments of the Axie 2.0, yun yung inintay natin. We will see if ever SLP will be able to rise from there. But for now, it is on a downtrend. Right, let's move forward. Petty, dapat i-report black. O nga eh. Joshua Belia, good evening Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi. Good to buy po ba si Emperador? This is from Richard Agas. Si Emperador, good to buy ba? Di ba nasa taas to? Yan, nasa taas to pre. So, delikado. If ever, short-term trades na lang po si Emperador. Tingnan nyo to, may mga linya tayo dito. Those and tsaka mga bilog na yan. Those were our buy signals for Emperador. That's when I told you to buy it. Right now, lumipad na. Masyado mahal na po siya. It's not good to buy at all at this point. Okay? So, stay away from Emperador. Norman, Magat, good evening, sir. DD-Re8, JFC, si DD-Re8. Kamustahin ba natin to? Mukhang DD-MPR yan. DD-MPR. Alright, so DD-MPR, if you're okay with 4% na stock dividends, then this is a buy right here. We have buy signals even for DD-MPR. Yes, that is a buy right there. Considering that you can get 4% at these prices. So dividends wise, that's already very good. Buy it, and then if you're looking at it on the dividend side, pag bumagsak pa yan lalo, then buy some more kasi mas malaki yung dividends makukuha ninyo. Alright, difficult to sell si IDC due to upcoming 45% dividends. Yun lang. Totoo yan. Pero please do not fall in love with the stocks. Baka ma-whip kayo niyan. Just take profits, right? Wag niyo na antayin yung wag niyo na antayin yung dividends. Kumita na kayo diyan eh. Babagsak yan on the day kasi most probably it will drop. So masasayang lang. Yes, you did get the dividends, pero ano ba yung purpose niyo? Do you wanna get the dividends or do you entered advance in IDC because for short-term trading it? Dividends kasi more or less mid to long-term yan purpose na yan. So it's up to you, right? If ever gusto niyo yung dividends, then don't sell it. Simple as that. Go back to your original plan. Yun yung sagot dyan. Jenner Dianyo, DD, okay na ba? Let's go for DD, Double Dragon, drop 10. Mukhang nagpapalabas ng signals, and with the market still kind of bearish, I cannot recommend this just yet. Too aggressive right now since intact pa yung downtrend niya. Cannot recommend DD just yet. Alan Washalan, good evening, magandang gabi. Good evening sa mga nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. Nga pala, I forgot to ask you guys. Hopefully, i-share nyo po yung video. Please share this video. Tulungan nyo po ako. Hindi ako nakapag-welcome sa inyo ng maayos, diba? Sabi ko na sa inyo, welcome to Daily Grind. Yeah. But yeah, please help us. Ako, Financial Freedom 101 and StockSets mission para para sa ma-reach natin yung mga newbies sa trading. Ang daming Pilipino nagsisimula araw-araw, pero remember 70% of those who started ng mga newbies fail and technically in the end stops, because when they fail, why will I still want to lose money in the stock market when I'm failing already, diba? So nagsa-stop sila. So that's who we want to reach out to. So your share will be very helpful. Abutin natin yung mga newbies para magambayan natin yung simula nila. And then if they start well, then that means magustuhan na yung stock market, they will stay. And in the end, right, it will trickle down to us investors and traders kasi mas maraming Pilipino mas marami ng pera pumapasok sa stock market, di ba? So thank you so much for sharing. I'm seeing 8 shares. Thank you so much. We have 64,000 viewers. Galing. 64 lang. Ano pong account yung scammer, sir? Let me open my Facebook page. Na-post ko yun eh. Here we go. Ito. So, this guy right here, hindi mawala-wala. Nag-post na naman yun kanina, 1 hour ago. Appreciation due to the drastic fall, blah, blah, blah. Magbibigay kami ng Ethereum. I-share ko yung Ethereum ko daw sa inyo, tsaka Bitcoin ko sa inyo. As if naman ganun ako kayaman. Pero yeah, let me share this link to you guys. Please click on it and then please report this. I-mass report natin. Grabe naman si Facebook kung hindi papansinin yung mass report. Please help me. Iwasan natin na may ma-scam pa. Kaibigan ko na scam. I reported this account 10 times today. Kaso nga lang walang action si Facebook. November 14 tumatakbo na tong page na to. So may followers pa na siyam. Ayun yung mga na victim na mga followers ko. Anyways, let's move forward. Music is moving, right? Alright, so yeah. Ano po account ng scammer? Alam mo, Shalan, Ani, BSC, MM, pa-check Sir Lloyd. Thanks in advance. Let's check it out. Ani. We've reached RSI levels na buy for Ani. But I want to see first the third quarter earnings of Ani before I can recommend this, right? So yeah, abangan ko lang muna yung earnings ni Ani, or at the very least gumawa ng bullish na signals before I can call for Ani. I will not call for Bodega kay Ani. BSC, it's not a buy yet. Right? BSC, meron na tayong call dito kay BSC before. Antay natin mag-breakout sa flag pattern na yan before we wanna get in, or if ever bumalik sa support, that's where we buy it. MM. Alright, so MM, downtrend pa. Stay away from it for now. Though gumaganda yung signals, we're seeing divergences already, so malapit na mahinog to. We'll see if anong gagawin ni MM the next coming days. But for now, it's not yet the buy. Edmar Pasqua, good evening, Sir Lloyd. CLI po, thank you. Let's check out CLI. Sibulan Masters Incorporated. Support is right here. Downtrend triangle, bearish triangle is present right now. Breakout. Let it break out from this descending triangle, and that will be your buy point. Ang ganda ng support dito, actually divergence yung support niya. So there is a high chance for this to break out. But sa mga conservative dyan, especially the market is not bullish, I will recommend waiting for it to break out before you wanna get in. You want those extra signals pag bearish yung market. Ron Tabilas, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Joel Antolini is asking about AEV. Let's check it out. Alright. Okay, so AEV, ganda. So nag-breakout na siya, but there's a secondary resistance right here. At this point, nakakatakot yung resistance, so that might, baka mauntog dyan, but nag-momentum siya definitely, close above Bollinger Band. So it's either a breakout or let it pull back from its, let it pull back and bounce at MA20. Yun yung best entries ninyo. Jer Baralias, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ngayon ko lang ulit nakapanood. Live mo, busy sa law school, bakasyon at balik na trading ulit. Alright. Jer Baralias, welcome. If you're busy, there is a way for you to take advantage of the opportunities in the money markets kahit na hindi kayo nakakapag-trade. Right? Welcome ko kayo sa Izanagi. If ever kakabalik nyo lang, most probably you haven't heard of Izanagi just yet. So this is my FX book for Izanagi. This is technically where you look at performances ng mga bots or ng mga traders, right? If they allow themselves to be tracked by my FX book, and these check marks are gonna show up. So this will tell you that what you're seeing on your screen is legitimate right now. Okay? So right now, as of December already, November 30 yung last update niya. Pero bumabagsak to eh. Dapat. Ayan. So, 259.16% na po ang gains natin. Right? And this is just 11 months. Right? Magto-12 to January pa. Started January 18. So, 11 months. And then, 260%. So, that's very good right there. Diba? Ang ganda ng numbers niya. Pang-scam nga yan, yung numbers na yan eh. So, sabi ko nga sa mga kaibigan ko, sobrang ginalingan ni Izanagi, parang scam na tuloy ang dating. But it's not, right? This is verified track record right here. So you know that this is for real. And this account, the best thing about this is bot trading. Meaning automated po ito. Wala akong ginawa since January 18 until today and the bot has been giving me this much amount. Okay? This is passive income already for me. The best thing about this is not just this one right here, but the bot is for free. Libre po namin yan sa inyo, serbisyo publiko. So kahit na nag-aaral ka sa law school, JR, there is a way for you to still earn in the money markets na wala kang ginagawa through Izanagi. And marami po dyan sa chat. Please share your profits sa Izanagi and how long have you been into Izanagi already. I-share to everyone para makita naman nila na legit si Izanagi. Because we don't have any marketing budget kay Izanagi. Word of mouth lang. So we're asking from you na kung gusto nyo mag-thank you sa amin for Izanagi because of your earnings, just share it to your friends and that's thank you enough because we appreciate that because yung mission natin is make everyone rich nga diba? So, and this is one way that we found na madali. Kasi trading is not for everyone. I'll be honest with you guys. Yes, you're watching right now, but heads up, trading is not for everyone. Even for me, ayoko mag-trade araw-araw. Stressful siya sa akin. Ang ganda lang ng kasi ng opportunity, inaral ko siya. So, but I cannot look at myself na nakaupo lagi at nagtatrade sa PC. But ang ganda ng opportunity kasi. And I had to swallow it because I wanted financial freedom rin, diba? But now, meron ng mga technology na ganito. We're able to share our skills. Yung trading system namin, linigay namin sa isang program. You can take advantage of it for free. Libre na yan, right? So, congratulations sa mga Izanagi, sa mga wala pa. Go to the video description. Meron po dyang not instructional video, but informative video about Izanagi. Learn about it first, know about it first. Then if you like, mag-register kayo. Andyan rin po sa video description yung registration link. Okay. So, Nicole Manzano, thank you for tagging your friend. Ramon Cruz, magandang gabi, Sir Lloyd. Good evening, man. Axel Capuno is asking about T. Let's check out T. Si T mo. Taas ng lipad. Pero, ang lalim ng bagsak. So, nasa support ulit si T. Not really sure what caused this spike right here. Is it the prices of steel going up? Earning, hindi naman gaano kalaki yan yung earning. But yeah, 32% compared to last year. So, that's something good for T. Maybe, kung gusto niyo short-term trade to, I'm not really sure kasi ano nangyari dito. Kung gusto niyo short-term trade to pag nag-green yan, that's definitely a divergence. That will be a good support for you guys. Check it out. Try it out. AEV. Did we cover AEV already? Yeah, we covered AEV already. Marlo Figueredo. It's 8:27. I'm gonna be going to YouTube at 8:30. Pasensya na if hindi ko nababasa pa yun sa YouTube, yeah. Marlo Figueredo, GFC per Sir Lloyd. Thank you. Good evenings. GFC, medyo takot pa to eh. Still scary for me si GFC. Overall, still on a downtrend. I will stay away from it for now. I love the dips, right? I love the dip of GFC. Hopefully soon, pero right now, no. Nakalipad na kasi to for me, right? So I cannot recommend this. I'm gonna go to YouTube. Magandang gabi, YouTube. Welcome to our 46,000 viewers. All right. Ange Melendez, hello. Nerf16, good evening, Sir Lloyd, and everyone. Rain21, good evening, Sir Lloyd. WMT po, please. So, WMT. Right, Walmart. Right, Walmart. Oh, double bottom for the Walmart. There's divergence in that bottom. So this was beautiful. Good find. Right, for WMT, right? Hopefully we're right. No, that's a triple bottom right there for WMT. Lakas na support na yan, ha? Test it out. Test it out. Test the support. At loss lang below that. But that's a good trade. Good find. I love this from Rerin21. And Steve993 for Sir Lloyd, good day sa inyo. In terms to fundamentals about Solana, good to buy ho ba siya? Or meron kayong advice regarding crypto to buy? Thanks. Yeah, so far ang daming ang daming nagpa-partner up with Solana, minting NFTs, etc. So fundamentals is good. Alright, fundamentals is good pero nothing beats Bitcoin, Ethereum pa rin. For me, Ethereum nga karamihan ng mga NFTs nga ngayon eh. So, well, Bitcoin is dropping, Ethereum is dropping. Yeah, go for them. Go for the big time Go for the big time na mga crypto. Mas stable kasi doon. Gusto nyo, kung marunong kayo maghanap talaga ng mga coins na maliliit pa, you can speculate on the little ones, but I'm not deep into that part of crypto kasi. So sorry if I won't be able to recommend any of them. Nathaniel Agdagdag. Good evening, Sir Lloyd, AEV, and SCC po. AEV. Alright, AEV. We'll cover that already. SCC. Si SCC naman, pag nag-breakout to, that will be a good signal for SCC. Overall, medyo may kamahalan pa rin si SCC kasi. So pag nag-breakout lang to, that is when you buy SCC. Dice, good evening guys. Good evening, Batang Fuentes. Good PM, sir. Good evening. P-Core and JFC. We covered JFC already. Si P-Core. Downtrend pa rin overall. Tignan natin sa supports niya. P-Core. Small Kids Blanco. Magandang gabi. APL and all day. Si APL. Tapos na tayo. Alright, breakout. Kasi medyo nakalipad na si APL. And then all day. Alright, si all day naman. Supports for all day. That's a buy. Good find. Good find. Susan Ku is asking about dito. Dito, medyo wala na. Medyo huli na tayo dito. Tatlo na yan. I did recommend buying dito right here. Diba? Sa supports natin. So, that was the buy. Right? And if ever you bought that, you should have won already. Take profits na nga dapat ngayon. So, I cannot recommend dito anymore. Henry Malapad, sir, US market status. So far, so good. Nagre-recover na hinay-hinay. Chicken sauce, planning to use Izanagi. Bonus na lang hinihintay. Alright, waiting for you, man. Nerf 16, 22% Izanagi with 2 months lang. Crazy numbers right there from Nerf 16. Congratulations. Yan, Izanagi. Start na kay Izanagi. 13th month pay nyo. Gawin nyo. Lagay nyo kay Izanagi, man. Sayang naman, sayang naman. Vincent Pascual, good evening. AGI, sir. This is from Dave Mir. Let's check out AGI. Right, may mga na-scammer na naman na nagka-comments. So, I'm removing them. Ryan. So, AGI, may gap down. I'm not really sure what happened right there. But it broke MA20. So, I cannot recommend AGI overall. And we're reaching resistance levels na naman. Kahit umakyat pa yan, medyo mahirap na i-trade yan. Not for me. Not a good trade for me. Ryan Rahon. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi sa inyo. So, we're done with Facebook. Let's go back. YouTube. Let's go back to Facebook all day from Edward Messi. Done with that. JR Baralias, pwede sa akin yan. Pwede sa akin yan, Sir Lloyd. Yes. Check out, tawag to? Si Izanagi. Nasa video description yung video niya. Nung ginawa namin yung video na yan, nasa 100+% pa lang yung gains ni Izanagi, di ba? Ngayon, 260 na. Grabe. Jepoy Gagarin, good evening, Sir Lloyd. I just want to ask you, when's the best time to create an account on Forex using Izanagi? Anytime is the best time. Wala pong problema sa Izanagi kasi kagandahan sa Forex, kahit na nasa tuktok na yan, pwede nyo nag-short naman kasi. So yeah. Lang, maayong gabi diha. So Lang is one of our scholars and also watching our program. Yan, ito. Ito yung maganda eh. Meron tayong mga na bibigyan ng opportunity with the scholars, thanks to you na nakikipag-partner sa atin, and we're able to influence them into investing din. Sila lang, nag-open na yan ng Izanagi sila, and it won't be possible, right? Their investments will not be possible if not because of your partnership with me at nabibigyan natin ng scholarship sila. Mga kabataan natin, tulad nila Lang. Lang, magandang gabi Lang. Alright. So proud of these guys. Janer Diano, go na sa Izanagi. Really good trading strategy. Perfect trader. No emotion at all. Walang emotion kasi sa bot. Kaya ang ganda ng trade niya. Sir, upcoming NFT, Chumbi Valley. Mukhang good siya. And we discuss some other time. Definitely. I'm gonna write this down. Pag-aralan ko to next coming days. And good news sa inyo guys. If napapansin nyo sa stocks, So stock said, meron na nagpo-post about crypto. Right, I have a friend, meron kaming isang influencer na in our circle na who partnered up with us, and meron na tayong expert sa crypto, right? And we're planning to create Crypto Fridays, right? We'll talk about cryptos and NFTs specifically on Fridays. Pero plan pa lang ito ha. Kasi bakit Friday? Because crypto, that's take profits day kasi sa PSEI, and there is no markets on Saturday, Sunday. So medyo boring yung topics natin sa Friday. Crypto is open even on weekends and Sundays So, I mean, weekends, Sundays, we still weekend. So, we're gonna be talking about crypto, right? This Friday, most probably, I'm gonna be introducing you to them. We're still in the plans of how to create a program for you guys. Yeah, that's the plan, Crypto Fridays. So, abangan nyo po yan. Mukhang good siya. We can discuss some other time. I already wrote it down. So, titingnan natin yan. Jeric Panit, Sir, paano magka-partner sa Thetan? Salamat po. Just send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. Then we can discuss about it. Sayang yung sale sa Thetan Arena kasi nag-half yung presyo. But, the good thing about it was, after nung sale, the market is now flooded with NFTs kasi ang daming nagbumili. Now, market is flooded with NFTs. So, compared to before na mahal yung Champions ngayon, pwede tayong makabili pa rin ng mura ng Champions kay Thetan Arena. It's not as cheap as nung sale nga lang, but still possible. So, let me know. Send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. Prince Carl is asking about ALHC. ALHC. For guys, I will tell you this always when it comes to NFTs. Right? These are games and you know that a game has to be very good for it to live long. Okay? It's just that may hype dito and we want to take advantage of the opportunity while nasa baba pa, while kakasimula pa lang. And it's high risk, I will tell you. That's the reason why I always stop you guys. May nagme-message sa akin, what if Sir Lloyd, 10 teams ang sponsor ko for Axie Infinity? I told that person na, wag. If you want to focus on NFTs, try to diversify other games. So I invited him in Thetan Arena. And very good na-stop ko siya kasi bumagsak si SLP right now, di ba? So yeah. LHC resistance is very near. Crepe breakout lang before you wanna get in. Jonathan Almonte, Sir Lloyd, JGS 6 months, charts malapit na support, long-term sentiments, mababa pa po. May position po ba ako? Pwede po ba ako magdagdag? May position na po ako. JGS, one of good companies out there. Nga no, tama. Supports, major supports right here. I'm not sure where your position is, but there is a big bounce on this support right here. So I guess that might be most probably where the support is going to be. This is where you add funds, man. Right? That's for Jonathan. Good find, my friend. Galing. Okay, going back to YouTube. Devmir, thanks sir, watching from Italy. Nickel, sir. All right, let's check out Nickel. Gabi umaga sa Italy ngayon, di ba? Namiss ko yung Italy, right? I was in Rome. Ang weird kasi, alas 7 na ng gabi, trick pa yung araw, alas 8. Ang weird ng experience, grabe. Naramdaman ko na, nantok na ako pero bakit maaraw pa rin? I miss Italy, man. I miss Italy. And Nicolasia, possible supports right here, kaso nga lang nag-fail pa rin, pero bumalik. Hindi nakapag-engulfing. Nakapag-engulfing na. Supports are starting to form, right? Definitely major support right here. Bodega na to. The major support is right here at 4.88. That is where you entered. Agent Disaster, sir, do you plan to do step-by-step video registering Izanagi? Right, short video lang. Actually, hinihingan ko yung mga kasama ko, hindi pa na nagagawa. Ano naman sobrang busy. So, sige. Gawin ko this week. Bilisan ko lang, right? Short video lang for Agent Disaster. That's my promise to you guys. Dave, Mir, 1:37 PM po. Hapon pala. Right. Magandang gabi. Magandang hapon sa inyo dyan. Right. So, going back to, we're done with Facebook. YouTube. Let's go to Facebook. Okay na. Right. I guess that should be it. Short lang program natin. Anyways, reminders lang. Izanagi has been doing well. Right now, Izanagi is dropping yung positions niya. Sa mga may Izanagi na dyan, lahanap na kayo ng position for shadow technique. Right. We had a video about it where kung bumabagsak na yung positions ni Izanagi, follow the trades. Right? Pwede kayong mag-trade. Sundin niyo anong ginagawa na trade ni Izanagi. Because when this whips back up, it is going to be very, very dramatic gains. So, mga shadow techniquers dyan, General Diano and the others, right? Check out Izanagi's position right now. And maganda to magsimula for Izanagi right here. Right? So, please start Izanagi. This bot is for free. It's been doing well for us. Definitely. And Thetan Arena, if ever gusto niyo pa rin po makipag-partner, pwede pa rin. Medyo may kamahalan lang ngayon kasi na-miss na natin yung sale. But it's still possible. So send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. Ingat sa scammers. I will never ask money for easy returns, right? May risks involved dyan. Ini-explain ko lagi sa inyo ang mga risks, especially sa NFTs ng mga partnerships natin. So please do your due diligence. Avoid easy money. Okay? That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.